Hi there. I'm a professional video editor and graphic designer since 2011. I provide highly regarded services based on graphics which can enhance any website and social media-based network in affordable rates. This could be short video ads, commercials, interviews, documentaries, real estate, product and service presentations, and any other event videos. The services that I provide include video editing and post-production, transitions, green screens, color grading, tile animations, rotoscoping, tracking, visual effects, sound effects, and standard cuts and trimming, the very basis of storytelling. Considering that every project is unique, please take a moment to portray your necessities in your request so I can fulfill your expectations. Please contact me before placing an order. Check out my work and reach out if you want to see more so we can begin making some magic.